I look so glowy. I'm going to be using these 4 products to create a very easy summer look. These are the brand new Lakmē Multislayer Sticks. So for my face, I'm going to take the shade W120 Warm Creme. These seem really travel friendly because they're in stick form. Then I'm going to take my brush and just blend the foundation. This blended really easily, like you can see, it's just melting into the skin. So that's how it looks. I'm just going to put a little bit more. This has light to medium coverage. It's super glowy and very radiant on the skin. I like that. I put on some concealer. We're going to move on to contour. I'm taking Definition Diva in neutral light and I'm going to sculpt my face. These have a very heavy color payoff, so you want to make sure that you're light-handed. I really love how it's adding that warmth to my skin. Okay, so I'm going to do this side now and blend. I love that I look super bronzed. I'm going to add some color to my cheek and I'm taking this shade in Sweet Cheeks. Now, I know these are very pigmented, so I'm going to take my brush and dab it onto the blush and then go over my cheek. I'm going to try and add some to the eye as well with the same brush. So for my last product, I'm taking the shade Golden Gleam and I'm just going to tap this on my finger and apply it onto my cheeks. Okay, I'm just going to take Sweet Cheeks and put a little color on my lip. I look so glowy. So this is my easy summer look using these 4 products. They come in 17 shades. They're pretty cool, so check them out.